Sign up for a Shopify account. To start building your store, you'll first need to create a Shopify account. This will give you access to the platform's features and tools. Choose a theme. Shopify offers a wide variety of free and paid themes to choose from, so you can customize the look and feel of your store. The theme editor can customize the layout, colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand. Add products. To add products to your store, you'll need to connect to a drop shipping supplier. Shopify offers an app store where you can find a variety of apps that integrate with different suppliers, or you can use a platform like Oberlo to find and import products directly into your store. Customize your pages. Shopify allows you to create custom pages for your store, such as an About Us page or a Contact Us page. These pages can be used to provide more information about your brand and your products, as well as to give customers a way to get in touch with you. Set up payments and shipping. You will have to connect your store with your preferred payment gateway to accept credit card or PayPal payments. And you should set the shipping rules or shipping rates on Shopify to have the customer pay for the shipping cost. Launch your store. Once you've finished setting up your store, you can launch it to the public and start taking orders. Be sure to promote your store through social media, online advertising, and other marketing channels to drive traffic and increase sales. This is the basic process for setting up a drop shipping store on Shopify. As you grow your store and your business, you may want to consider additional features such as marketing automation and analytics, or additional apps to help you streamline your operations. It's also important to note that you should also be comfortable with some level of website development, have a basic understanding of e-commerce principles, and have a business plan before starting an online store. Additionally, always be sure to research the supplier that you're looking to use, and check the reviews and the quality of their products before deciding to work with them.